Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show the setup of the trigger of the booking confirmation status. The booking confirmation status trigger is a function integrated within the booking status setup. This feature will automatically send out a confirmation link to your patients, which if opened by your patients will display on the diary. By utilizing this feature, you may prevent no-shows as well as improving communication with your patients. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. Click on the settings button located on the navigation bar. With the settings screen now open, click on the entity settings tab, then on the workflow event templates panel. The workflow event templates panel will expand. Next, click on the choose event drop-down menu and select the email option. Click on the add template button, which will open the workflow event template screen. For more information regarding the email workflow event template, please refer to the workflow event template setup email template user manual linked in this video's description. Setting up the booking confirmation link email event is the first important step in the process, but only ever has to be done once. This ensures that MyGC can reach out to your patients via email, providing a convenient booking confirmation link. To add the applicable placeholder, click on the text body. With your cursor now placed within the text body, click on the choose placeholder drop-down menu and select the MyGC booking link confirm patient booking confirmation link. Please note that it is not recommended that you further customize this message, as it may hinder the function to work optimally. Click on the Save button. Now that we've created the booking confirmation link email workflow event template, the next step is to link this template to a booking type. This ensures that every booking receives a personalized confirmation email, reducing the administrative burden of sending emails with each individual booking. From the settings screen, click on the diary settings tab. Next, click on the booking type setup panel. The booking type setup screen will open. For more information regarding the booking type setup, please refer to the booking type setup user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the panel of which booking type the workflow event template should be added to. Click on the add template drop-down menu and select the previously created workflow event template. After you made the selection, click on the Save button. Finally, let's set up a booking status change trigger to automate specific actions when a booking status is changed. Click on the booking status change triggers panel. The booking status change trigger screen will open. Click on the booking confirm drop-down menu and select the booked option. Once the applicable option is selected, click on the Save button.